up. It's here. Tizzle.
Let's pray for the people that we just lost.
Rest in peace, Joey. Yeah. I got you, nigga. Pistol on my side, trigger finger on the job. You can come and get it if you really want it, guys. Got you all in eye if you wanna cross the line. This is not a lie, I'm about to stop your lives. Pistol on my side, trigger finger on the job. Talking about the kind that hurt you like the army kind. I kill the bars, you can see that they're not alive. Took all this time to remind you I'm the hardest, guys. If you hear a hard track, then it's probably mine. It's been the longest time since I had the hardest rhyme. Disrespect me, I'ma shoot it up like Columbine. So if you try coming at me, nigga, pray to God. Tizzle in this, I'ma kill it like I always do. You just a hype homie like a fucking college dude. Never thought of you to be the one to auto-tune, but fucking man, the nigga gotta do what he gotta do. Pow, 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 yeah, my lyrics on my ammo. Spit a hot 16 and I'm ready to dismantle, Woo! But shit, pistol on my side, trigger finger on the job. You can come and get it if you really want it, guys. Pistol on my side, trigger finger on the job.